And the Birds Appeared by Julie Stewart Williams. Once upon a time, there was a boy who had magical powers. His name was Maui, and he lived in Hawaii. Maui could see things that no one else could see. And in those days, only Maui could see the birds. In the yellow ohia lehua tree was a nest. Someone lived there. But who? No one knew, except Maui. The red ohia lehua tree had a nest too. Someone else lived in that nest. But who? No one knew, except Maui. But the neatest nest of all was in a koa tree. Someone had twined it round and round with cobwebs. But who? No one knew, except Maui. On a lava bed was another nest. Someone had made it. But who? No one knew, except Maui. And so it went. Each nest belonged to a creature no one had ever seen, except Maui. For Maui could see things that no one else could see, and only Maui could see the birds. One day, a man from another island far, far away came to Hawaii. To everyone he said, "Where I come from is more beautiful than anywhere else." My island has the prettiest flowers. My island has the greenest valleys. My island has the loveliest waterfalls. Maui listened. And as he listened, he thought and thought. Then when the man stopped bragging, Maui spoke. "There is something here you can't even imagine." With that, Maui picked up his ipu drum. He tapped it gently. Thump, thump, thump. Branches moved up and down. Bushes shook from side to side. Leaves rustled. Flutter, flutter, flap, flap. Then all was still. Not a sound could be heard. Maui lifted his ipu and gave it a hard slap. Thump! At once music filled the air. Eyes opened wide, heads turned this way and that. Such beautiful singing. "The voices of Menehune," the people whispered as they listened in wonder. When the sweet music ended, Maui shouted a command. "Singers, show yourselves!" And the birds appeared. There before everyone's very eyes were the colorful, feathered creatures no one had ever seen before, except Maui. "Oh, Maui," said the man, "my island has nothing as wonderful as your birds. Your island is far more beautiful than mine." And ever since that day, all the people, not only Maui, could see and hear the birds. Now people know whose nest is in the yellow ohia lehua tree. It belongs to the iiwi. Now people can see the Evie with its bright red feathers and long curved bill. Now people know whose nest is in the red Ohiolehua tree. It belongs to the O'o. Now people can see the black O'o with its tufts of yellow feathers. Now people can hear its clear, loud whistle. Now people know who builds the neatest nest of all. It's the Elepaio. Now people can see this friendly little bird as it pecks a tree branch for a meal of insects. Now people know whose nest is on a lava bed. It belongs to the Nene. Now people can watch this Hawaiian goose eating berries and tender leaves. To this day, Hawaii is still more beautiful than anywhere else, and all because of Maui, who made the birds appear. The end.